celebrate after this.
Fucking Hardy and Junior. Fucking bitch ass chicks. Hardy.
So this is Joe Pesci.
His introduction to his sick ass cage, dog. Look at his joints, son. This got a motherfucking crib. This joint's sick as shit. This joint's sicker than my room, son.
How do you open this?
Just fucking squeeze the, just squeeze that.
I don't want to traumatize him.
Nah, that's straight. Is he a female där i baz میکنی کسکش بازش کن آها خویش Yo, I hope he fucking pokes your face or what. He's getting ready to fly.
Are the windows closed?
Oh shit, yo, Javad, go close that. Hold on.
Javad, you're such a
fuck.
fucking fucker, dude.
Why? Keep recording, nigga.
Yeah, I am.
Send it now. So slow, man. You can't even help this up. You think it? Okay, weird. Huh?
Fat old fuck. Very shit in the box. Like,
Like nervous.
Hey.
Joe Pesci getting real comfortable and shit.
Oh, yeah.
Cena's new fucking sex partner and shit.
Yeah, this is perfect.
Nice. Nice. Look at the fucking choice.
Javad, you want to come see him? Just be careful because he's really shy.
Fucker. Exactly what the other one had.
Shut the fuck up.
Remember my name, Nick. Oh, yo, he has one of those rings too, just like Paulie. Like tells him like about his identity and like what kind of breed he is and shit. Guess what his name is?
Nigga, sorry, buddy. What? Joe Pesci. Yo,
Fan line, pure shiggy.
I wonder if he's even gonna go in this fucking thing.
Yeah, I know, right? It's probably like, what the fuck is this joint? How do I get in it? He's not even gonna be able to reach that shit.
Yeah, I know, he can't. Well, he'll start climbing around and shit. You can get in through here.
Alright, let's leave him alone. Like,
Yeah, let him chill.
Watch the fishes fall asleep. Fucking fall off.
Javad, I just want you to know throughout the whole video, the 5 minutes of this video, you sound like a dick like 6 times. Peace.